Let's get to the. Okay, so I got ballet and gymnastics and stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all after I do my split. Let's get to the video. Okay. This is the split.
Then you look at this, alright? Then you gonna play. Butterfly.
And this is and this is a regular split. Okay. And this is a but I can't do it because I'll use space. Okay. So look at all my other videos. So I'ma do this, so let's get